In this video, let us discuss about logarithm of a complex number. Definition: if z is equal to x plus iy and w equal to u plus iv be two complex variables such that e power w is equal to z, then w is said to be a logarithm of a z to the base e, and it is written as w is equal to log z base e. We know that z can be written as z is equal to r e power I theta in polar form, and also we know that z is equal to x plus I y. So mod z value will be, mod z means modulus of a z. This is equal to square root of x square plus y square. And theta, here theta means amplitude of a z. Its value is tan inverse of y by x. Now to find the general value of log z, we have the formula. It is given by log z is equal to log mod z plus I into 2n pi plus amplitude of z. That is equal to log z, which is equal to mod z means square root of x square plus y square plus I into 2n pi plus amplitude of z means tan inverse y by x. By using this formula, let us solve some problems. Example number 1. Find the general value of log of minus I. Here z value they have given as minus I. Solution: the z value is minus I. This can be written as cos of minus pi by 2 plus I into sin of minus pi by 2. Because cos minus pi by 2 value is 0. 0 plus I into sin of minus pi by 2 value is minus 1. So here we will get minus 1 as a value. So now by using this formula, log z is equal to log mod z plus I into 2n pi plus amplitude of z. So mod z means mod minus I. So mod minus I value is 1 itself. So please remember that mod a plus ib value is square root of a square plus b square. Here we have minus mod I, that means square root of 0 plus minus 1 whole square. So this is again 1. Now amplitude, theta value is tan inverse of y by x. So theta is equal to tan inverse of, here y means minus 1 divided by x means 0. That means tan inverse of infinity. Tan inverse of minus infinity. So therefore this value is minus pi by 2. So therefore log of minus I is equal to log mod z plus I into 2n pi plus amplitude of z. So which is equal to log of mod z means we got 1. Log 1 plus I into 2n pi amplitude of z we got minus pi by 2. Therefore minus pi by 2. So now log 1 value is 0. Therefore the remaining value is I into 2n pi minus pi by 2, where n is integer. And here please note that to get the principal value, this is the general value. This is the general value of log minus I. To get the principal value, we have to put n is equal to 0. If we put n equal to 0 here, we will get the principal value. So to get the principal value of log z, we have to put n equal to 0 here. Therefore we will get log z is equal to log mod z plus I into amplitude of z.